To load a 96 well plate for the initium, first use compressed air to blow any dust or particulate matter away from the sample wells. Next, take your included positive displacement pipette and load your sample into the plate. The minimum sample loading volume for each well is 19 microliters and the maximum is 70 microliters. When loading, make sure to dispense the sample onto the side wall of the well to avoid any additional bubbles. Proceed to load anywhere from 1 to 96 samples. Next, cover the wells using airtight film to prevent any dust or evaporation from altering your samples over the course of the run. Align the film with the wells and seal using a rubber roller. When loading samples into a 96 well plate, a small air bubble may become trapped at the bottom of the well, as shown here. To remove this bubble, centrifuge the plate for 1 minute. After centrifugation, complete a visual inspection to make sure that there are no bubbles underneath your sample. Following the visual inspection, we can load our 96 well plate onto the initium and start measuring.